Need a last-minute meal plan? Stuck on what you can make with the ingredients in your cupboard? AI can help. I'm Joe, and in today's In the Know Quick Tip, we'll explore how AI can help get you out of a meal planning jam.
You can approach this from a few directions. You could start out focused on a few items or ingredients you know you want to use and maybe a preparation time frame. Like any conversation, you may need to share some preferences or guide the AI on additional ingredients you do or do not have available. If you're following a recipe and discover that you are short on an ingredient, AI may be able to help guide you on ways to work around that. It may provide insight into alternative approaches or adjustments to other ingredients to compensate. AI tools may also be able to use visuals to help guide you. Try taking a photo of your pantry or fridge and see what dishes it suggests. This works especially well if you are using the mobile app. That same approach may help you assess what went wrong in a recipe or how best to use seasonings. Who knows? Maybe you will discover a new favorite recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.